Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2012 Physics Past Question 30. Where can a man place his face to get an enlarged image when using a concave mirror to shave? A. Between the center of curvature and the principal focus. B. At the principal focus. C. Between the principal focus and the pool. D. At the center of curvature. So one of the application of concave mirrors is that they can be used as shaving mirrors. Okay. Now this is because of their ability to form enlarged images. Now in order to get an enlarged image, the man or the person shaving must place his face close to the mirror or near the mirror, specifically between the principal focus and the pole. So you get an image that is enlarged, of course, erect, and virtual. So between the principal focus and the pole is where the man can place his face to get an enlarged image, and that is option C, between the principal focus and the pole. So C is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.